When the ventilation system on a 2005 to 2010 Jeep Grand Cherokee or Commander stops directing airflow properly, you may discover that the blend door shaft is broken. Debris like acorns and other foreign material can get into the system and prevent the blend doors from moving freely. When this happens, the blend door actuator arm can shear off at the shaft. The original manufacturer's only repair solution is to replace the entire airbox, which is not only an expensive part, but also requires hours of complicated labor. Dorman offers some unique cost-saving OE fix repair kits for when the blend door fails like this, depending on whether it's equipped with single zone or dual zone climate control, as well as the nature of the failure. First, you'll need to know which system your vehicle is equipped with so you can order the correct repair kit. If there is a single temperature control knob in the center of your climate control panel, you have the single zone system. If there are two separate temperature control knobs here, you have the dual zone system. Now let's see how to fix each of these systems. The airbox is located in the center of the dashboard. Vehicles with single zone systems have one blend door actuator located on the driver's side of the airbox. Vehicles with dual zone systems have two blend door actuators, one located on each side of the airbox. You can access the blend door actuators by removing the lower dashboard panels. On the driver's side, pull down on the knee bolster from the top. On the passenger side, disconnect the glove box door catch. Then lift the glove box off its mounts. To locate the point of failure, you'll need to remove the blend door actuator. Two Torx screws secure each actuator in place on the airbox. If the blend door actuator arm has broken, as shown here, the repair requires simply replacing it with the new Dorman OE Fix actuator arm, which looks identical but is made from stronger materials for greater durability. This repair works on both single zone and dual zone systems. Now align the blend door actuator with the new actuator arm and rotate it into position on the airbox. Line up the two screw holes in the actuator with their positions on the airbox and make sure the third hole is in place over the alignment dowel. Carefully drive the two Torx screws back in to complete the repair. If the blend door shaft has broken off outside the airbox, you can use this Dorman OE Fix actuator shaft repair kit, which includes the drill bits shown here. This kit can also be used on either single zone or dual zone systems. If necessary, smooth the surface of the broken blend door shaft with a file or sandpaper to prevent the drill bit from wandering when drilling. Position the drill bit on the center of the blend door shaft and drill straight down the center, being careful not to wobble the bit. Drill the shaft deep enough to accept the full screw length on the repair actuator arm included in the kit. Now screw the new actuator shaft into the drilled hole until it seats on the shaft. The screw should be snug and you may want to use a 3/8 inch ratchet extension to drive it into place. Now align the blend door actuator with the new actuator arm and rotate it into position on the airbox. You may need to adjust the position of the new actuator arm on the shaft to get proper alignment with the actuator. If so, back the actuator arm out to make any adjustments. Do not over-tighten it. Line up the two screw holes in the actuator with their positions on the airbox and make sure the third hole is in place over the alignment dowel. Now carefully drive the two Torx screws back in to complete the repair. On single zone systems only, if the blend door shaft has broken at a point near the edge of the airbox in such a way that prevents the use of the actuator arm repair kit, there is still one other repair option. This Dorman OE Fix blend door actuator relocation kit allows you to move the actuator to the other side by taking advantage of the unused actuator mount on the passenger side of the airbox. This adapter piece included in the kit connects the actuator to the end of the blend door shaft. Remove the center console bezel to access the wiring harness. Find the 2-wire branch that connects to the blend door actuator and carefully unwrap it from the main harness.